proudly displayed.
Yesterday, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the AI technology company iMerit at Shillong IT Park, Sauli, with Radha Basu, founder and CEO of iMerit, in attendance. Chief Minister Sangma praised Shillong as a prime location for IT companies and highlighted government efforts to improve internet connectivity and data-driven governance. He noted that technology is being used to enhance various government initiatives, including health monitoring and environmental mapping. iMerit, which employs over 5,000 people globally, has 200+ employees in Meghalaya, with 64% of the workforce being women.
And IT-enabled services and the entire IT sector is something that as a government we strongly believe that Meghalaya and especially Shillong can be a very, very big game changer and a very big destination and a place which can actually become an IT hub, at least in this part of the region of the country.
The Meghalaya government